శ్రీమద్భాగవతము. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నిగమకల్పతరోర్గలితం ఫలం సుఖముఖాదమృతద్రవ సంయుతం పిబత భాగవతం రసమాలయం ముహురహో రసికా భువి భావుకాః. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీసుఖయోగీంద్ర. యం ప్రవ్రజంతమనుపేతమపేతకృత్యం ద్వైపాయనో విరహకాతర ఆజుహావ పుత్రేతి తన్మయతయా తరవో వినేదుః తం సర్వభూతహృదయం మునిమానతోస్మి. నమస్కారం టు నరనారాయణ చతుర్ముఖ బ్రహ్మ సరస్వతీదేవి వ్యాసమహర్షి. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. In Srimad Bhagavatam Tritiya Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Savanaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Uddhava sharing Sri Krishna Paramatma's glory to Vidura, saying that, O Vidura, when Krishna Paramatma was sitting under the tree, I prayed Krishna Paramatma like this: O Sarvesvara, Bhavat Padam Bhojanishevana Utsukaha. Those who serves your divine lotus feet, for them Sudurlabhaha Ardheshu Chaturshu Api Iha. In this world, Dharmartha Kama Moksham, all these four aspects are very easily attainable for those who are your devotees. But, O Purushottama, nee pada sarasiruhadhyana amruta abhisheka sphuranangaramoppina na chittamu itara vastuvulandu వాంచం తగులునే ఎందున్. O Sri Krishna, but I do not wish to attain any of those four dharmartha kama mokshas. I just wanted to be at your lotus feet. I always wanted to serve your lotus feet. O Sri Krishna, I realize that you do not have any kind of karma bondage. Jananamuleni neevu bhavasangati nondutake karanambu. O Srimannarayana, you do not have to be born like this. You have no karma bondage. And this entire kalam, the time is under your control, such supreme Paramatma, but you have taken this body, you have born in this world, and you got scared from enemies, and you hid in the Jaladurgam Dwaraka because you scared from enemies. When Kalayavana was chasing you, you got scared and you ran away from him. O Krishna, I realize that you are a personification of Sakshat Anandam. Anandam itself is you. The joy is yourself. But you tried to enjoy with all the girls being in Grahasthashramam. You felt that you are enjoying. You pretended that you are enjoying. O Srimannarayana, I do not understand all of your divine miraculous activities. I realize that even great scholars also cannot understand the secret behind your divine miraculous activities. Like this, O Vidura, I prayed Sri Krishna Paramatma. Like that, Uddhava is sharing to Vidura. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. ఓం అస్మద్గురుభ్యో నమః. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become his most beloved devotees, and then he will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say, I shall behave as you like, I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana.